Hello, this is Tech Review. Now, are you a Ghanaian or from the West African sub-region? Then you must be familiar with fufu. Sure, fufu, just like waakye, kenkey, and tuwo, is one of the staple foods of the region. But preparing fufu has evolved over time and with a tech twist. Originally prepared from boiled cassava and plantain, it goes through some rigorous pounding sessions before finally seeing our table as a meal. And I'm sure you liked it if you've ever tried it. But I'm sure you have noticed the human interventions by way of possible introduction of sweat and other materials during the preparatory stages. Well, many have slammed fufu for that and have now switched to the powdered form introduced onto the market. This powdered version just requires stirring a mixed solution over fire. And many enjoy the new approach, but for others, there's nothing better than having their fufu pounded. So how do you like your fufu? Pounded or prepared from powder?
Yeah, it wouldn't seem. I am not chain. Use machine. Because machine is a woody machine. There is so on the set. I want to in Temtem. But local one idiot. Woody so cranny and turning to
Well, with the help of technology, you can now enjoy your fufu pounded without possibly tasting someone else's sweat. And that is the fufu pounding machine designed by a Ghanaian.
Shaft here, no walk one. What I bought in them, I can't put in them. Then walk any bone on the care. 7 plates go a banake, walk if you fear by one a dan moto ba is eshishi ke moto eshishi dan e bole wala e ke fufu e potole no e ba na kai choni ha.
Technology is taking us places. Let's see how it works. And it is currently used in a few local food joints. How do customers find it?
It's a matter of choice of what you want. But no matter what how you look at it, the local one will still be the best. Because everything is done naturally.
I like to go the traditional way. And so the traditional way is something that I've been bred and trained with.
So technology has brought some changes to fufu preparation. At least the cumbersome pounding session is substantially taken care of by the machine. But a careful scrutiny of this machine-driven approach raises serious hygiene and health questions about possible contamination of the food. Perhaps more serious compared to the sweat factor when the fufu is pounded.
The machine, the grinded one, depends on how hygienic it will be kept. Because if it is not washed well, kept clean, it can also have its own, come with some diseases.
We are told many local eateries resort to the machine approach lately, meaning many more might be exposed to infections should the cleaning process be compromised. Is anybody watching?
Every machine that is, made has to pass through some form of certification before it will be allowed to use in the country. And I'm sure if indeed the machine has been certified as safe for use, then it must have gone through all these processes. But again, I'm not very sure whether the machine has been certified by the standard authority.
Surely, there must be a better way to still inject technology into this fufu pounding business and keep it safe and wholesome at the same time.
There is a lot of, journey to be made. I don't think it is actually, safe for use, honestly.
Well, to a scientist, there appears to be more work to do on the fufu pounding machine. Well, thanks, and join us again on Tech Review.